Hi kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and well. Today I'm going to make, well actually tonight, I'm going to make plantain bread. So here I have some overripe plantains, and that's what I'm going to use. I have brown sugar, I have a little almond milk in here, 2 eggs, baking soda, baking powder. I'm going to use allspice. It has a blend of nutmeg, cinnamon, and so forth, salt, and vanilla extract, and some butter, and some all-purpose flour. Okay, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to add my sugar and my milk. And next I'm going to add the butter. Okay guys, so I'm just going to use my whisk and just like beat this up. I don't feel like pulling out the big mixer or the hand mixer. It's like 11 o'clock at night. Back in the old days, people didn't have electric mixer and hand mixer. They used what they have and they got the job done. Okay, so now I'm going to cut up my plantains. I'm going to take like a potato masher and just mash up the plantain. Like so. Okay, so this is my plantain, guys. It's all softened up. Okay. So now I'm just going to add my vanilla extract. And next, I'm going to add my plantain mixture back in. My plantain mixture into it. I'm going to add my 2 eggs. And then I'm just going to combine everything together. Okay guys, so this is the mixture. So I'm going to put this to the side. And I'm going to add all my, whisk all my dry ingredients into through the strainer. Just give it a nice whisk. Okay, so the flour is in. Now I'm just going to whisk in my baking powder, baking soda, and the salt. I'm going to add the wet ingredients into this. And then I'm just going to mix everything together. Make sure you get all the drippings out. Just mix everything together. Guys, I've decided to add some yogurt to it, so just to make it a little extra moist. So I think I'm gonna add this much. And then I'm just gonna mix well. Okay guys, so this is my mixture. It's all completed. Here it is, guys. It's all ready to go in the oven. My oven is preheated to 350, and I'm going to place it in there for like an hour or so. I mean, it really depends on your oven. So I'll check it out in an hour or so. It smells so good, guys. Okay guys, it's out of the oven and it's been 1 hour, so I'm going to test it with a toothpick. Hey guys, I'm going to taste piece for you. Delicious.